Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can become a vampire queen without VIPing Dress to Impress. So in this DTI tutorial, I'm serving up Gothic, Glam, Dark Elegance, and Royal vibes with non-VIP layers that bite. And this is the look of a vampire queen that I created. Now let's just get started from the hair. So for the hair, I'm going to just use two hair. The first one is this bangs, and I'm going to color it black, and the second one is under the wavy category, this hairs right here, and just color it the same. And for the makeup, you can just easily find this vampire makeup set for free. Now let's just start with the outfit here. I'm going to go to the close-up first and use this necklace and color it red. And for the shoe, I'm using these boots and again color it red like the necklace. Okay, I'm going to find some accessory again. Here I'm going to put on this necklace and change the second color with red like the previous one, and put on this earrings also with the same red color. Now for the outfit, I'm going to just use two skirts and a dress. So these two skirts I'm going to put on and change the color into black. Like this. And then I'm going to put on this dress with the same black color. Now to make it more dramatic, you can put on the sleeve in here and change the color into white. And put on this hand warmer and change the color into red to make it look like blood. So this is the vampire queen look that will channel your inner Gothic diva and slay the night in style. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on this. Bye.